Hey friends, welcome back to Kat's Kitchen. I'm so glad you guys are back here with me for another episode. Today we are just going to be working in the kitchen together. I have a bunch of corn on the cob there. You can see it needs processed, and I was just sharpening my knife. And here I'm showing you I have two bowls, one larger one and a smaller one turned upside down with a damp paper towel in there so that my corn cobs don't slip. And this is how we're going to trim, the corn off the cobs fairly easily. And then we're going to can some of this and freeze it as well. Also on this day, I have about 40 pounds of chicken that we're going to get into smaller freezer bags. And then we're going to clean up a little bit, and then I'll show you towards the end here. But just relax and watch this little kitchen prep video. I hope you enjoy it, and by listening to the music as well. And I hope this will encourage you to do any kitchen projects that have been needing to be done. So thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Our corn just came out of our canner. Looking super nice. I like to can and freeze corn, as you saw me do here in this video, just to have a little bit of variety. But guys, thank you so much for watching me today as we prepared some stuff in the kitchen. We got these 13 ears of corn processed. I know it really didn't give us that much, 5 quarts here. And then, like I said, I got about maybe, you know, a quart or so of our our corn that we put in the freezer. And then I processed 30 pounds of chicken. I had another 10 pounds that I processed the day before. So 40 pounds of chicken I had divvied up and put in freezer bags for later on. So guys, thank you so much as we worked through the kitchen today and we did our prep work and we did our cleanup. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, friends.